Jerrod, this is how we end our podcast. We do undupables, and I feel like you might have some products here to share with us if they make it into your undupable section. So we can call those babies in. But basically, you name 5 things that are undupable in your life. They could be products, they could be people, they could be places, they could be. It's just like yes, it cannot be. These things cannot be duped for you.
Okay. Ready?
Okay, ready? You have 1 minute. Ready? Done. Let me pull my timer up. Wait, I gave you an extra 5 seconds. Okay, don't tell anyone. All right, ready, set, go. My
family, undupable. My dog.
Oh, you have to say why.
Oh, okay, because they're everything to me and I love them. And in the end, that's all that matters, family. Yes. My dog, Clover, life, that's all. He's everything. I'd say my More Than a Pretty Face foundation, because it was so hard to make and so incredibly difficult to create a full coverage foundation that was completely and totally weightless. My Glow Up mascara, being known for mascara and creating something that I'm super proud of that gives more volume, more length, more lift, more curl, and it's clean. That was hard. Okay, how many? I have one more?
No, you have one more.
Oh, I have one more.
But you have 27 seconds.
Let's relax. I did good. I'm good at this. I'm good at this. Okay, do you know what I'm going to say? Okay, it's undupable. It's undupable. It's going to be, what's undupable?
10 seconds.
How much?
10.
10 seconds. No, what it's going to be? No, it's going to be London, because the city of London, I don't feel anywhere more like my authentic self than I do there.
Really?
I don't know why. It's a magical place. I'm going to say London.
Okay. But what's in your hand?
Oh, this is our glossy lip balm. This is our Polite Pout. It's full of tons of actually saturating moisture, because a lot of these products just layer on top. Don't you hate a lip balm that just sits on top of your lips like cellophane?
Yeah.
This is going to hydrate, moisturize, give you a glossy color, and it's addictive.
Okay. I was like, I see an honorable mention and we have to mention it. Yes. And actually, I see that you have,
that's our Polite.
Yeah, like you have to show that because
these are our pots. These are the blushes that it looks like a cream. You apply it, it actually bursts into a powder. So this is powder surrounded by a cream molecule that is truly a powder. So when you apply it like a cream, you gets you everything that you love, the ease, the moisturization, all of it. When you blend it with your fingers or a brush, it poofs into a powder, long wearing, blurring, easy.
That's such a pretty color too.
Isn't this gorgeous?
Yeah, that's really pretty.
This is Milan.
Okay.
Italy.
Noted. And look at,
this one looks so good on you. That's yours.
I mean, I will not say no to that. I will take this off me. She's so cute. Doesn't she fit so perfectly?
I know.
With the vibes right now. Set. Yes, we're bringing all the vibes. Amazing. I love this.
And thank you for being pink. Because listen, even at Polite Society, even though we're periwinkle, that's our core color, I am still pink because pink is a part of me. Pink is my lucky color. Mm-hmm. I love pink.
I love periwinkle too, though.
When I created Too Faced, there was a campaign by another company that said pink makes me puke. I know. And I was like, I'm going deep. We're going pink. So
they can never come to the Hidden Cam studio, okay?
I love pink.
Are you hidden?